Data analytics, data mining, and cognitive computing. Data analytics. Data analytics is the science of examining raw data with the purpose of drawing conclusions. It is used in many different industries, generally divided into exploratory data analysis and confirmatory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis. It is the first part of data analytics. New features in the data are discovered during this process. Main characteristics of the data are summarized. Confirmatory data analysis. It is the second part of data analytics. It is where existing hypotheses are proven true or false. It usually has an emphasis on numerical calculations. Data mining. Data mining is the process of sorting through data to identify patterns and establish relationships. Its overall goal is to extract information from a dataset and to transform it into an understandable structure. It is used extensively in the business world. Data mining tasks. Data mining involves 6 common tasks, which are anomaly detection, association rule learning, clustering, classification, regression, and summarization. Anomaly detection. Anomaly detection is the identification of unusual data records. Typically, the anomalous items will translate to some kind of problem. Anomalies are often referred to as outliers. To the right is a graph of an anomaly detection with an outlier. Association rule learning. Association rule learning searches for relationships between variables. For example, a supermarket might gather data on customer purchasing habits. The supermarket can determine which products are often bought together and use the information for marketing purposes. Clustering. Clustering is the task of grouping a set of similar data together in separate clusters. It is achieved by using various algorithms. It is the main task of exploratory data mining. Classification. Classification is the task of generalizing known structure to apply new data. An example is an email program sorting emails. Some emails are classified as legitimate and others are classified as spam. Regression. Regression attempts to find a function which models the data with the least error. It is used for prediction and forecasting. It includes many techniques for analyzing several variables. To the right is an example of a regression function. Summarization. Summarization is a very important part of data mining. It provides a compact representation of the dataset. Search engines like Google use summarization technology. Cognitive computing. Cognitive computing is a simulation of human thought processes in a computerized model. It uses self-learning systems to mimic the way the human brain works. IBM has used cognitive computing to create its Watson computer, which has become famous throughout the world. IBM's Watson. It is a supercomputer created by IBM. It has human-like thought processes and is capable of answering questions posed in natural language. Watson's uses. Watson has a variety of potential uses including shopping, finance, banking, and healthcare. Shopping with Watson. Fluid XPS is a shopping service powered by Watson. Its service communicates directly with shoppers. The system can ask clarifying questions and educate the shopper, which would increase sales and improve the shopping experience. Finance with Watson. Watson can assist traders with up-to-the-minute information. Financial, economic, product, and client data can be collected by Watson. This makes the information easily available to make the best finance decisions. Banking with Watson. IBM has recently reached an agreement with DBS Bank in Singapore. It is one of the biggest banks in Asia. It will use Watson to improve the guidance it gives to its clients. This is just a simple example of one banking company choosing to use Watson, with more potentially choosing to use Watson in the future. Healthcare. Watson has already had a major impact in the healthcare region. Watson helps reduce the time for treatment authorization. It also provides relevant information to allow doctors to begin treatment sooner. Watson has been used extensively in cancer research and has already provided great benefits. Summary. Analyzing and using data is extremely important in today's society. Data analytics, data mining, and cognitive computing are all important methods in analyzing and using data. Companies and organizations use all of these methods to improve their decisions and create new technologies.